Hello, welcome to week 2 of this 35-day meditation challenge. Glad you can join me again. I hope you've really benefited from those last 7 days that you've just been doing this meditation for. And we're going to do another 7 days with a different meditation now. So we're really going to focus on ourselves and focus on our body. So again, straighten up your back. If you can, place your hands on your lap, feet flat on the floor. If you're lying down, just really in a relaxed position, empty position with your arms out and your feet shoulder width apart with your feet about 45-degree angle. That's the best position, but don't fall asleep. Okay, place your hands up, close your eyes, straighten your back. So focus on a moment or an incident that has really bugged you, really got underneath your skin in the last few days, last week or last month even. Just really focus on that incident. And has your mind been going round and around on that instant and not being able to let it go? Where you keep coming back to it and start battling and fighting with it, and then you try and push it away, and you're doing all sorts of agitation in the mind, and the mind becomes more and more busy as you go over the scenario that's happened over and over again. We've all been there. If it's happening again, focus on it, really focus on it, and the responses you've had, what you could have said, what you should have said, really focus on that moment, really focus on it deeply. Keep breathing deeply into your lower abdomen. Now just hold it like a beach ball in your palms, with your palms facing up. Hold it like a beach ball and place it in that beach ball. And bring your attention now up to your head. Focus on your face. Relax all your facial muscles quickly. Been practicing this for a week now, so we should be quite quick at this. Let it go like a fist, like unclenching a tightly clenched fist. And your arms, your shoulders, your backbone. Let it all go quite quickly. This is why we practice meditation, so we can do it very effectively. Down your hips, pelvis. Just relax everything. Now come back to your beach ball and focus on that incident. Keep focusing on that incident. Now don't use any judgment on yourself or any intellect. Just focus on that incident for what it was. How you reacted, whether you reacted out of character, whether you feel you were right or wrong, doesn't matter. Just focus on that incident and see how it's affecting you. Keep focusing on that incident. And now feel your hands starting to feel warmer as you focus on the incident that's not been serving you, because it's been a distraction for your mind. Keep focusing on it. And now very slowly bring your hands up to your lower abdomen. Keep focusing on that incident, and now focus just 2 inches below your belly button. It's your lower danjon. Focus on the incident and the lower danjon now. So let go of all the tension around your lower abdomen. Let it start to sink and relax. And push all the tension into the bubble, into the beach ball. And now bring your hands up to your heart area. Focus on your middle danjon, your heart chakra, and the beach ball. And push all that emotions, all the feelings and emotions into that bubble, all the negative stuff, and let your heart relax and release as you push all that negative stuff into that beach ball. All the emotional feelings that you've had. We pushed all the physical actions that you've done into it with your lower danjon. This is the physical, the emotional. Push that all into the beach ball. And bring it up to your upper danjon, your 6th chakra, and push all the intellectual reasons that you've done for your actions into that beach ball. Push it all into the beach ball. And then focus on relaxing your 3rd eye, your upper danjon. And gently tilt your head back, look up to the sky and let that ball go. Let it go, let it float up through the ceiling, up past the roof of your house, into the atmosphere, going up to the sky, through the clouds, all the way up. Watch it go up. Keep watching it like a balloon floating up to the sky, getting up to the ozone. And the ozone's one of the biggest cleansers, so let the ozone clean all of that negative energy away. And slowly breathe out, bringing your hands back down to your lap, very slowly. Get back into a nice relaxed position, and now focus on a new ball, new beach ball being created in your hands, that's full of positive energy, full of new energy. Now you've emptied your cup, now you're filling it back up. And take that, scoop that fresh energy with the ball and just place it into your lower abdomen, your lower danjon. Then grab another ball, take it up to your heart. Fresh energy now coming in, place that into your middle danjon, sorry. And then coming up to your upper danjon, place that ball in there. And let your hands drop down. Take a deep breath in, let your hands go out to the side and clearing. Bring your hands down the central channel with your fingertips together. Breathe out. Clearing yourself. Place your hands on your lap, take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take a long, slow, deep breath in now. And as you breathe out through your teeth, leaning forwards. Slowly coming back. Opening your eyes. How do you feel? Do you feel better? So rubbing your palms together, Remember, this is the best way of waking the body up. Don't forget to journal with your piece of paper and pen on any sensations you've had. Clapping your hands 10 times. That was 10, wasn't it? Rubbing your palms together and then energetically sweeping your face. Do you feel more refreshed? Hope so. Get rid of all that stuff. You don't want it in your body anymore. Sweep it all out. Shake your hands out. So don't forget to journal. Any feelings that you've had, whether you're feeling lighter from this burden, where the mind's starting to clear. 7 days do this for now, and make sure that you really focus on what you're writing down with your journal. I used to think I could remember it, but when I started writing things down, it becomes so much more effective. So do that, do it. I know it can sound a bit laborious or studious, but do it. Just write it down and just see the reoccurring things, because this is for you, not for me. And I hope you've enjoyed that, and we'll be back next week with a new meditation. Remember, 35 days, and at the end of it, we're going to see how we feel. So let me know in the comments how you're getting on, and because I'd love to hear from you. I really do sincerely want to hear from you. I want to see how you're empowering yourself with meditation now. See you in the next video. Sarang Hamida.